Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Custom Sportster, $4,000, Westerville, Ohio. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Custom Sportster captures the unmistakable character of the Ironhead era, combining classic Harley-Davidson V-twin performance with timeless custom styling. Ironhead Sportsters remain highly sought after thanks to their rugged simplicity, strong aftermarket support, and unmistakable old-school personality. According to the seller, this custom example runs great and comes with both a clear title and the manufacturer's certificate of origin for the motorcycle frame, adding to its appeal. For enthusiasts looking for a vintage Harley that's ready to ride and full of classic character, this Sportster is a solid opportunity. Number 2. 1967 Norton Atlas 750, $5,200, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The 1967 Norton Atlas 750 is one of Britain's most respected classic motorcycles, combining the powerful 750cc twin-cylinder engine with Norton's legendary featherbed frame for exceptional handling. Well-preserved Atlas models continue to attract collectors thanks to their performance, heritage, and unmistakable British character. According to the seller, this former barn find has been carefully restored to reliable running condition with numerous mechanical upgrades, including electronic ignition, rebuilt forks, new tires, a Barnett clutch, and a Mikuni carburetor conversion. It reportedly starts on the first kick and comes with a clean South Carolina title. For buyers seeking an iconic British classic, this Atlas is an impressive example.
Number 3. 1972 BMW R75/5 LWB, $4,300, Barrington, Illinois. The 1972 BMW R75/5 LWB is one of the most desirable airhead models, appreciated for its smooth boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and comfortable touring capability. The long wheelbase version offers improved stability while retaining the timely styling that made the /5 series so popular. According to the seller, this motorcycle runs great and remains in very good overall condition. Recent maintenance includes a fork rebuild, new battery, fuel lines, spark plug wires, and tires with fewer than 300 miles of use. Although the tachometer is currently inoperative, the bike comes with a clean title and is ready for its next owner to enjoy.
Number 4. 1972 Honda CB175 K6 Supersport, $2,950, Muscle Shoals, Alabama. The 1972 Honda CB175 K6 Supersport is a lightweight twin-cylinder classic that helped establish Honda's reputation for building dependable and enjoyable motorcycles during the early 1970s. Its nimble handling, reliable engine, and attractive styling continue to make it a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this well-maintained example starts easily, shifts smoothly, and retains its original engine and exhaust system. Recent servicing includes cleaned carburetors, fresh oil, a new battery, and new tires, while all lights, horn, and turn signals are reported to function properly. For buyers seeking a ready-to-ride vintage Honda, this CB175 is an excellent choice. Number 5. 1970 Triumph Bonneville, $7,400, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Triumph Bonneville is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its responsive parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and lasting collector appeal. Matching numbers examples with original finishes are especially desirable among enthusiasts who value authenticity and originality. According to the seller, this Bonneville retains its original paint and engine, features matching numbers, and starts easily on the first kick.
Often regarded as one of the finest years of the classic Bonneville, this motorcycle offers an outstanding opportunity for collectors searching for an authentic vintage Triumph.
Number 6. 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000, $5,000, Wellington, Ohio. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ1000 is one of the most legendary Japanese superbikes of the 1970s, celebrated for its powerful inline-4 engine, impressive reliability, and timeless styling. It remains a favorite among collectors and riders who appreciate classic performance motorcycles with a strong aftermarket following. According to the seller, this example runs well and has recently been fitted with a brand new set of carburetors. With approximately 26,000 miles and a solid running condition, it offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to enjoy a true vintage Kawasaki icon.
Number 7. 1977 BMW R100S, $5,000, Barrington, Illinois. The 1977 BMW R100S is one of BMW's most desirable airhead sport touring motorcycles, combining a smooth 980cc boxer twin engine with classic styling and long-distance comfort. Well-preserved examples continue to attract collectors thanks to their quality engineering and enduring reliability. According to the seller, this matching numbers motorcycle retains its original sunburst orange finish, original tank and fenders, and has just over 12,700 actual miles. It also features rebuilt Bing carburetors, electronic ignition, serviced brakes, new wheel seals, Avon Road Rider tires, and period-correct touring accessories. For buyers seeking an exceptionally well-kept vintage BMW, this R100S is a standout example.
Number 8. 1976 Yamaha RD400C, $6,950, Franklin, Indiana. The 1976 Yamaha RD400C is one of the most iconic two-stroke sport motorcycles ever produced, admired for its lightweight performance, responsive handling, and unmistakable exhaust note. The RD series continues to enjoy strong collector demand thanks to its racing heritage and exciting riding experience. According to the seller, this motorcycle has received numerous performance-focused updates, including re-sleeved cylinders, Wiseco pistons, new carburetor components, and dual-cylinder temperature gauges. With extensive recent engine work already completed, this RD400C offers an appealing opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a legendary vintage Yamaha.
Number 9. 1940 DKW NZ350, $12,900, Hickory Hills, Illinois. The 1940 DKW NZ350 is a remarkable piece of pre-war motorcycle history, representing one of Germany's most respected motorcycles of its era. Known for its rugged engineering and historical significance, the NZ350 has become highly collectible among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide. According to the seller, this example has been beautifully restored and is ready to ride, with a title included. For collectors searching for a rare European classic with exceptional historical appeal, this DKW stands out as an impressive addition to any vintage motorcycle collection.
Number 10. 1981 Honda CB650 Custom, $995, Heartland, Wisconsin.
The 1981 Honda CB650 Custom combines smooth inline-4 performance with Honda's reputation for reliability, making it a popular choice among classic Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. Its comfortable riding position and durable engineering continue to make it an attractive platform for restoration or regular weekend riding. According to the seller, this low-mileage example appears largely original and has already received rebuilt front brake calipers, a new master cylinder, fresh oil, a new filter, and a new battery. While the carburetors and throttle cables will need attention before it can be ridden regularly, the clean appearance, good tires, and only around 11,000 miles make this CB650 a promising vintage Honda project.
For sale is the 1981 Honda CB650 Custom. This bike is actually in very nice condition for the age. Presently does not run. Had it running this spring, but since then it's not starting. It will start on spray. The throttle cables are sticky. Needs the carbs